Okay. So guys, this is the one of the beautiful and the amazing journey. Day one of the 14 days self-love and the self-esteem Me 2.0 challenge. What is meant by the Me 2.0? Can anybody write down into the WhatsApp group? What is meant by the Me 2.0? Me 2.0. And this program is mainly for the woman actually, if you ask me. Even a lot of men has this issue. But out of the five, four women has the self-love and the self-esteem issue. And this is scientifically studied and a lot of research is done in the Oxford and the Cambridge. Maybe if you get a time, I'll be share for it. So Me 2.0. So this is the day one now, self-love and the self-esteem test. So everybody do the test now. So now please you have to just write down the agree and disagree. So how many agrees are there and how many disagrees are there? I think in general people find me boring. Disagree. So please everybody write it up now. Disagree. So for me, it is disagree. You have to write down your answer. I feel devastated when I'm criticized. Nowadays, I'm get very happy when somebody criticizes me. And I tell them, दुनिया गई भाड़ में सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. But 96% people in the world gives up when they get criticized. So don't compare me. Do your particular part. I often take things personally. I don't take things personally till the things are not like that. I worry a lot about what other things for me. I never even bother about this 1% now, but initially it was there. Oh, if I wear this one, that one, people, what will be think? Oh, if I become a fat, what people think? Oh, I become that walking problem. See, now that's not a problem with me. When I met with accident, I have to go with the sticks. I was hiding myself from the people. Other things, but today I don't bother about it actually. But it is a long way to go. It's a long way to go. So please remember. Then I often apologize for behavior even if I think I might not be wrong. Now suppose that maybe you feel not wrong actually, man, but still you get offended sometime. So that is a weakness. Agree, disagree. I often think I'm a failure. So I don't tell that one. In the world, 85% people feel that they are a failure. I am often criticize myself. Forget about others' criticism. You have to think about your own criticism. If you are criticizing the self, nobody else is required. Then afterwards, I will classify myself as a people pleaser. I have to do this one. Nowadays, did you see anybody feel that when I'm a people pleaser? No, by any chance, even 1%? I give the people left and right in front of the camera. Please remember, this is very, very important. I give them into the in front of the camera, left and right. I often feel I'm not good enough. Is it that true? Did you feel that when you are not good enough? If you are people pleaser, you are not good enough. I'm a perfectionist and often berate myself if I don't meet my expectation. My problem was this one. See, I never use the same PPT for my next second program. भाटिया जी, मेरे को ऐसा प्रॉब्लम था कि अभी इस पीपीटी में मुझे और क्या करना है और मैं उस करने के चक्कर में आई हैव टू बी गेट डाइवर्टेड. बट प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस इज अ टेस्ट फॉर देम टुडे एक्चुअली. I often judge myself based on the achievements of others. Not at all. Not matter. Now I given the my wealth mastery meditation to my friends and they earn more than 10 crores. So I'm not feel about it bad nowadays. I'm feeling very happy about it. Okay. It is important for me to be liked by everyone. 99% women like that way, including my wife and everybody. So now today this is a gift program for her, but she is not there actually. Very sad part. So please remember this is very, very important. Then I am often self-critical. So this is the last part. I believe I am unlovable. 96% women, even the husband loves them, they feel that are unlovable. I am often self-critical. Now, how many agrees, how many disagrees? Please write down in the groups. Whichever groups you are, write down there, agree, disagree. How many came now? How many agrees came? How many disagrees came? Truth is missing from here. Okay. So please write quickly, guys. Everyone, quickly write it actually. So Mohit, take the photo and send this one. Have the amazing first part. 7 agree, 8 disagree, Anuradha. Good. What about the others? Please, everybody put it up across that one. Take the full screen photo and send that one. We had an amazing self-love and self-esteem day one program. One person is run away. Who is that? Bhatia ji. Okay. So your 10 agree. Sonali, काफी चीजें हैं. 10 agree, 7, 8. Please write down what are your 10, how many agrees and how many disagrees. Sonali's 10 agree means 8 disagrees. How many are there total now? 15, correct? So 15 out of 15. So if you are 10 disagree, means it is like a very big self-love and the self-esteem issue. Sonali Shirsagar. बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, खूब मोटा इश्यू है, सगळे प्रॉब्लम येतील. And please remember that one, 96% of the cancer cases, the cancer which is not because of anything, they find out there is a self-love and the self, this one. 96% of the self, this anxiety and depression issue, this is find out. So anyway, so I'm just share this part. Today maybe we cannot share everything, we cannot cover all the part, but let me just move on that one now. Let me go here. Okay, self-love pre-test. So I can see maximum are agrees for you. So this is shows that when there is a low self-esteem and the self-love. But one good news. So you aren't perfect and you have the flaws. That's what you told now to me. Absolutely fine. But nobody is perfect. Today's world population is more than 8.5 billion. So these 8 billion people are there. Nobody is same. So the problem, weakness, setbacks, regrets, and the mistakes teach you if you are willing to learn, or they punish if you are not. This is a part of the self-love. The power of self-love. Self-love is about accepting yourself, accepting your flaws. And it is not selfish. It is vital for mental well-being and creative healthy relationship. Please remember, this is very, very important. Why the self-love matters. Mental health. Positive self-regards increases the happiness and the inner peace and reduces the stress and anxiety. Relationships. Loving yourself creates stronger connections with the others, allowing for the deeper and more fulfilling relationship. Creativity. Being kind to yourself encourages taking the risk, leading to the more creativity and the self-expression. So common misconception about self-love is what? It is a narcissistic. No. Self-love is different from the narcissism. Loving yourself involves accepting imperfections, not believing in being perfect. It is selfish. No, it's not at all. Caring for yourself doesn't mean you don't care about others. It just means you value yourself as much you value others. One of my research, all the mothers always, when they have the baby, they'll be always feed the baby and then they only eat, correct? But my research shows one thing. The mother who eat first and then feed the baby, babies get more stronger and healthier. So it is not about the kurbani. Kurbani से कुछ नहीं होता, stupidity है. The mother who is capable enough, happy enough, and the mother herself is very hungry and feeding to the baby now. That mother is not doing the good for herself also and her baby also. I'm telling you that when the points here will be transform your life. It is easy? No. Practicing self-love is a journey and an ongoing process, and you have to work very hard for it. Anyway, the benefit of the practicing self-love is more than 108. I'm telling you, your whole life is based on this one now. But increase confidence. You will begin to feel more comfortable in your own skin and feel confident in believing yourself. Resilience. I can tell you the maximum story, but because it's a small session, I don't want to extend too much. So greater resilience. When times are difficult, self-love provide the internal strength to keep going, overcoming any negativity. Then improve the self-worth. You will begin to believe that you are worthy of positive things, creating the sense of contentment and inner joy. Obstacle to practicing self-love? What is that? Time crunch. Oh, I don't have the time. Then your life will be the hell. It is a priority. What is a priority? Then self-doubt. Oh, I am not good for nothing. So what's going to be self-love going to be changed? I'll be telling you the thousands of the stories of the self-love. It is common to feel like we are not observing or deserving of love. But it is important to reframe that mindset and challenge your negative beliefs. Approval seeking behavior, external validity. It is like a measurement, internal, external, statics, like all these things. Stop replying on external validations and learn to validate yourself by celebrating your achievements and the inner qualities. Then tips for overcoming the hospital routine. That's why I put the 14 days. Did you think that I'm a mad? I know that when if I take the 1 day workshop, people will not get any benefit. Routine. Set a consistent time for self-love practice to make it habit in your daily routine. So from tomorrow onwards, 7:17, 7:18 will be start this session for 18 minutes. 7:30 will be finished. Small steps. Don't take on too much too soon. Instead, gradually build the practice of self-love. Compassionate self-love. Replace the negative self-talk with the positive affirmations and focus on the progress you have made. Mantra of the day, hug yourself and say, I love myself. Very difficult. People cannot hug themselves. I love myself. I am perfect, whole, and complete. This is your skilling thought. I am whole, complete, and perfect. I am whole, complete, and perfect. Fine with your this part. I love myself meditation. So I am healthy. I am free. I am love. Everything. I'll be take this meditation tomorrow. Today there is a less time actually. So these are the living years. Every generation blames the one before, and all of their frustrations come beating on your door. I know that I am a prisoner of all my father, to all my father held so dear. I know that I am a hostage to all his hopes and the fears. I just wish I could have told him in the living years. Crumble bits of paper filled with the imperfect thoughts, still conversations. I am afraid that's all we have got. You say you just don't see it. He says it is perfect sense. You just can't get agreement. In this present tense, we all talk a different language, taking in a defense. Remember, this has a very deep. So this is the activity of the day number 1. Why it is important to love. So write down the minimum 9 reasons what you want to be loved, why you want to love yourself. Self-love, it doesn't mean that everyone will treat you the way you deserve to be treated. It means that you won't let them change the way you see yourself, nor will you stick around for them to destroy you. So please remember, this is the activity of the day number 1 and share this one. Then only you will be allowed to attend the day number 2 session. You have to share the 9 reasons why they love to you. So we'll be see tomorrow's what is a self-esteem, what self-esteem is not. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Sri Ram, Jai Bajrangbali, Jai Siyavar Ramachandra ki Jai. Hare Krishna, Hare Rama Panduranga, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Bajrangbali. Om Namah Shivaya. So if you are watching this on the first day and you want to watch of this journey for the next 13 days, please don't dismiss the opportunity. This is just the starting point. When you will be write down the 9 reasons that you love for yourself. Maybe I can read my reasons for all of you before I close the session. And this is my self-love book. And this program is attended by the more than thousands of people. So what I written for myself? I am a precious gift given by the God to this earth. Why I love myself? Because I'm a precious gift. I know that when 1,10,000 life is transformed. So I am a precious gift given by the God to this earth. I have something unique, special that I want to share to the world. I love my body, mind, and soul. I always enjoy my samadhi state. I am the best father. I am the best husband. I am the best son. I love my connection with the universe. I love my beautiful mind. I love the God gifted my knowledge, vast knowledge, and the kindness. I love God gifted my motivational skills and all these transformational skills and the spiritual connections. I love the nature. That's why nature loves me. I am the best human being. I approve myself. I love myself. I am whole, complete, and perfect. That's what I love myself. I am a unique and a fantastic creation. I am the best. That's what I love myself. You have to write down the 9 reasons of yours. That is a homework for all of you. So if you are watching the recording, so please ensure that one you join this one now, and tomorrow is the last call, because after tomorrow we cannot take anybody. And when you coming with this course for tomorrow, ensure that one you done the homework. Thank you. God bless you all. Sabka mangalo, sabka